High in the misty mountains, deep within a lush bamboo forest, the first light of morning peeks through the leaves. The air is fresh and cool. Mama Panda awakens slowly, stretching her big, gentle paws and blinking at the soft glow of dawn. Beside her, nestled close and warm, are her two sleepy cubs, still lost in dreams. With a loving nudge, Mama whispers, "Time to wake up, little ones." The cubs yawn wide, rubbing their eyes as they snuggle even closer, reluctant to leave their cozy nest. But today is no ordinary morning. Today is a day for adventure, a day for exploring the wonders of the world together as a family. With a quiet excitement, Mama Panda leads her cubs out of their den and into the heart of the bamboo forest. The tall green stalks sway gently as a breeze rustles through the leaves. Sunbeams dance on the forest floor, lighting their path. The cubs tumble and giggle, running circles around Mama's feet. Every step brings a new discovery. A butterfly flits by, its wings shining in the sunlight. A patch of wildflowers bursts with color and sweet scents. The cubs stop to sniff the blossoms and watch the butterflies float by, their eyes wide with wonder. Soon they come upon a grassy hill, and without hesitation, the cubs roll down, squealing with laughter, feeling the tickle of cool grass beneath them. The forest echoes with their joy, and Mama's heart swells with happiness. At the bottom of the hill, a sparkling stream winds its way through the trees. The water glistens, clear and cool, inviting them closer. Mama Panda shows her curious cubs how to peer into the stream, searching for the tiny fish that dart beneath the surface. Suddenly, splash! One cub slips and tumbles into the shallow water. For a moment, there's surprise, but then laughter bubbles up, bright and contagious. The little one shakes off the water, grinning as the other cub chases a floating leaf, catching it and holding it up triumphantly. Mama smiles, her eyes shining. It's not about catching fish or winning prizes. It's about learning and growing side by side, finding joy in each moment together. As the sun climbs higher, it's time for a well-earned lunch. Mama Panda gathers crisp bamboo shoots and fresh green herbs, her cubs helping by carrying leaves and fanning the little fire with big banana leaves. Soon, a delicious stew simmers in a pot, sending the smell of home-cooked comfort swirling through the air. They gather on a sturdy log, sharing their meal in the shade of the tall bamboo. Between bites, Mama tells gentle stories of the forest, and the cubs listen, their hearts full of wonder. Every hug, every smile, every shared bite is a memory made, a bond strengthened. With bellies full and spirits high, the family knows it's time to head home. Mama Panda gently lifts her sleepy cubs onto a sturdy wooden tricycle, its wheels creaking softly. She pedals slowly through the bamboo, while the cubs sing simple songs and wave goodbye to the butterflies and birds that have been their companions all day. The path winds back to their cozy den, where the golden light of sunset bathes the world in warmth. As night falls, the cubs curl up close to Mama, safe and content. Their eyes grow heavy, their hearts overflowing with love and happiness. Today was a day of adventure and laughter, of learning and loving, of being together. And as Mama Panda wraps her arms around her little ones, she knows that wherever there is love, every day is a special day. Thank you for joining Mama Panda's Day Out. Until next time, may your days be filled with wonder, laughter, and love.